Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome back in our channel Grade 4 GIS Official with Miss Anis in Mathematics class. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Before we start our lesson, let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I will explain you about using timetable again. Maybe its video can give you more easier to study about time. Let's we start. Friends, for measure the time, you must remember that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. You can see on my whiteboard, I have clock. The clock have two hands, short hand and long hand. Short hand show the hour, and then the long hand show the minutes. You can see. And then, one rotation of the long hand from number 1 until 12 is 60 minutes. If the long hand show to the number 1, it means 5 minutes. From number 1 until to the another number, it's counting by 5. For the example, if the long hand to the number 4, it means 20 minutes. Right? And then from the clock we can know about the time. The short hand show between 7 and 8, but the long hand show half of time in the number 6. So we can write 7.30, or we can say a half past 7. For the example, it's about calculate the time. The question is how long does it take from 7.30 to 8? From the question, that is how long. So we can calculate by subtracting from the last time 8.00 minus the first time 7.30. So we can calculate like this. And then you must remember that 2 digit in here is show the minutes, and then 2 digit in here is show the hours. So we can calculate 00 minus 30. It's cannot, right? Cannot. So we can borrow from here, but because we learned about the time, if we borrow 1 from hour, it became 7.60. Because if we borrow 1 from hour, and then 1 hour is 60 minutes, so we can write become like this. So we can continue our calculate 7.60 minutes minus 7:30. So we can calculate 60 minus 30. 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. And then 7 minus 7 is 0. We just write like this. So the answer is 30 minutes. For the next question is, how long does it take from 7.30 to 8.30? We can calculate by subtract from the 8.30 minus 7.30 minus. You must remember that 2 digit in here is show the minutes, and 2 digit in here is show the hour. So we can subtract 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 3 minus 3 is 0, and then 8 minus 7 is 1. Don't forget to make the point in here, and then 0 minus 0 is 0. So we can answer by 1 hour. So the answer is 1 hour from the 7.30 to the 8.30. For the next question is, how long does it take from 8.15 to 9.30? We can calculate the same way. We can calculate by subtracting the last time 9.30 minus 8.15. We can calculate like this, and then we can see this is the minutes. So we can calculate 30 minus 15. 30 minus 15. So the answer is 15. Or we can use by subtracting like 2 number or 2 digit number. And then we get the point in here. We subtract again the 9 minus 8. So the answer is 9 minus 8. The answer is 1. You can write in here. 0 minus 0 is 0. We cannot write. So we can get the answer because it show the hour, and then it show the minutes. We can write 1 hour 15 minutes. So the answer from the 8.15 to the 9.30, it's 1 hour 15 minutes. The last question is, how long does it take from 9.30 to 11.10? We can write by subtracting 11.10 minus 9.30. Can write like this. Then we can see from the minutes place, can see 10 minus 30, it cannot. 10 minutes minus 30 minutes, it cannot. So we can borrow from the hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we can borrow from here. We can borrow 1 hour to be 10, and then we borrow 1 hour, it's 60 minutes, we borrow 60 minutes from here, plus 10 from here. So we can get 10.70 minutes. Then we can calculate. So we can calculate 70 minutes minus 30 minutes. We can write 0 minus 0 is 0, and then 7 minus 3 is 4. And then we put point in here, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So we can write this is the hour, and then this is the minutes. So we can write 1 hour 40 minutes. So the answer from the 9.30 to 11.10 is 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay friends, this is the application of timetable. You can see that is bus timetable with the place of station and the time arrival. So the question is, how long does it take for the bus to travel from Yogyakarta to Magelang? We can answer step 1. You can see from the question that is from Yogyakarta bus station to Magelang bus station. And then step 2, we can calculate by subtracting from the last known time in the question from Magelang bus station at 8.15 minutes, and then minus the first known time in the question from Yogyakarta at 7.00. We can calculate by subtracting from the minutes place. 5 minus 0 is 5, and then 1 minus 0 is 1. Don't forget to put the point in here, and then 8 minus 7 is 1. You must remember that 2 digits after the point, it show the minutes, and then 2 digits before the point, it show the hour. So we can get the answer is from Yogyakarta to Magelang, it's 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay friends, this is the last example. The question is, how long does it take for the bus to travel from Magelang to Solo? The answer is step 1. We can look at the bus timetable from Magelang bus station to Solo bus station. And then step 2, we can calculate by subtracting from the last known time in the question. From Solo, the bus arrived at 11.10 minus the first time known in the question. From Magelang, the bus arrived at 8.15. We can subtract from the minutes place 10 minutes minus 15 minutes. It's cannot, so we can borrow 1 hour from 11. You must remember we have learned about time, so if we borrow 1 hour, it means we can add 60 minutes because 1 hour it's equal to 60 minutes. So we borrow 1 from 11, and then the 11 become 10, and we add 60 minutes plus 10 minutes from here. And then we can calculate the minutes. So became 10.70 minutes. 10.70 minutes. And we continue our calculate. 10.70 minutes minus 8.15 15 minutes. We can subtract from the minutes place. 0 minus 5, it's cannot. So we can borrow from 7, and then 7 become 6, and then the 0 become 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. Don't forget to put point in here, and then 10 minus 8 is 2. Don't forget, 2 digit after the point, it show the minutes, and then 2 digit before the point, it show the hour. So we can answer from Magelang to Solo, it's 2 hours 55 minutes. This is the exercise. You can write this exercise on your exercise book, and then don't forget to submit your answer to your teacher class. Good luck! Friends, maybe it's enough for today. Hopefully you are understand. Don't forget to do your exercise and submit your answer to your teacher class. Keep healthy and let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, see you on next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.